everybody, welcome back to Mount Hope Meadows. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jake, and this is my fully restored 1953 Farmall Cub. So I had quite a few people ask me, hey Jacob, do you still have the Cub? What's up with the Cub? Did you ever finish restoring it? And yes, I did. So this restoration took me a few years to do. It was my first one, and I was still very much learning how to work on equipment and how things work. I made a couple videos throughout the restoration process, but then I kind of took a break from YouTube during it. But I believe you saw me go through the transmission and the final drives. I don't think I got the hydraulic system on video, but I went through the hydraulics. The engine got rebuilt. I went through every system I could on this tractor. I went to the steering box. We did front wheel bearings, rear wheel bearings, rear bearings in the final drives, axle bearings, all the bearings in the transmission. I converted it to 12 volt negative ground. I got a little mini alternator off Amazon and put that on there. And then it's got a 12 volt coil, so I don't need to use a ballast resistor or anything. I did have somebody comment on one of the little clips I made, or the shorts, about why I had these rubber lines on here. And I just had them because the previous owner, or some owner down the line, had already removed the metal ones and replaced them with rubber, and I kind of glanced around a little bit to look for more hard lines, but I just went ahead and replaced the rubber ones. But I put new tires on it all the way around. So for the paint, I just used C&H Industrials International Red. I think it comes out to like 2150 is the paint code. I was able to get that at my New Holland dealer. And the body and the fenders and the whole chassis turned out great. The only thing I wasn't thrilled with, and still am not, is the hood. You can tell it's not perfectly smooth, and it just didn't come out as great as I wanted it to. So if I get the time, I want to redo the hood and actually paint it with a spray gun and probably clear coat it. So, because I'll have to put new stickers on it, but I like the hood to look better than it does right now. The hood's really the only thing that kind of bugs me. Everything else turned out great. I was really satisfied with the paint. It turned out nice and smooth. It hardened up fine. I just used a gray primer underneath it all. The tractor still does need little things touched up. A couple wires I gotta tie up and stuff. I gotta fix this wire. Need to run that to ignition on power that excites the alternator. Yeah, but this was a really fun project. I learned a lot from doing this, and I love these old tractors. They're so simple and fun to work on. Yeah, so there she is. The Farmall Cub is all nice and pretty and restored now. If you have any questions or anything you want to ask about the restoration, leave them down in the comments. But with that, I'll see you next time, everybody. Have a great day.